Egypt, land of ancient wonders, where the echoes of pharaohs meet the pulse of a modern metropolis. And, let's face it, legendary traffic that tests the patience of even the most seasoned drivers. Driving in Cairo is an adventure, one that demands quick reflexes, nerves of steel, and a horn that's always ready for action. But now, a new chapter is unfolding on Egypt's roads, the rise of the smart car, blending cutting-edge technology with everyday life. These aren't just cars, with a few fancy gadgets. They're equipped with powerful computers, advanced sensors, and intelligent systems, all working together to make driving easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Imagine a car that can see what you can't, alert you to hidden dangers, keep you safely in your lane, and even park itself in the tightest spots in Zamalek, all with just the touch of a button. This isn't science fiction or a distant dream. It's happening right now, transforming the way Egyptians experience their daily journeys. Smart cars are turning the daily commute into a smoother, more connected experience, making vehicles true partners on the road for families and professionals alike. They're tackling Egypt's biggest driving challenges, helping drivers navigate traffic jams, reduce fuel costs, and stay safer behind the wheel. With electric power and advanced safety features, these cars are not only more efficient, but also help prevent accidents before they happen. Whether you're driving along the Red Sea in Hurghada, passing ancient temples in Luxor, or navigating the bustling streets of Cairo, smart cars promise calmer, more economical, and more enjoyable journeys. Less stress, fewer scrapes, and a taste of the future, right here, right now, for every Egyptian driver. In the next sections, we'll dive deeper into what makes these cars smart, explore the latest models available in Egypt, and look ahead to what the future holds for driving in this remarkable country. So fasten your seatbelts, the revolution is already on the road, and it's just getting started. So, what turns an ordinary car into a smart one? It's a question that goes far beyond the surface. While a sleek design or shiny paint might catch your eye, true intelligence in a car is all about what's happening beneath the hood and behind the dashboard. It's not the paint or wheels, it's what's inside. The real magic lies in the technology that powers every drive, making your experience safer, smoother, and more connected. Smart cars have a network of computers, sensors, and software, a nervous system, not just a brain. These components work together, constantly communicating to monitor and respond to the world around you. Cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors give the car a 360-degree awareness of its surroundings. This means your car can see in all directions, even in situations where you might not be able to. Cameras read road signs and spot pedestrians. They help the car understand traffic lights, lane markings, and even unexpected obstacles. Radar measures distance in any weather. Sensors help with parking. Whether it's pouring rain or thick fog, these systems keep you safe and aware. All this data is processed instantly by powerful onboard computers. They analyze information from every sensor, making split-second decisions to assist you. These computers run advanced algorithms, enabling features like emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. They can even help you stay in your lane or avoid collisions before you even notice a problem. Connectivity is the final piece. Smart cars are linked to the internet, just like your phone. This connection opens up a world of possibilities, from entertainment to real-time updates. This means real-time traffic updates, finding charging stations, and accessing navigation that adapts to changing road conditions, and even controlling your car from an app. Lock the doors, start the engine, or check your car's status from anywhere. Pre-cool your cabin from a cafe, set the temperature before you even step inside, and enjoy comfort on your terms. Check your battery from your sofa. The car is part of your digital life. It's always connected, always ready to serve. It's not just about driving, it's about seamless integration and convenience. Your car becomes an extension of your home and your smartphone. Smart cars are more aware, more connected, and more helpful than ever before. They're designed to anticipate your needs and make every journey easier. They're not just vehicles, they're digital companions, ready to assist, entertain, and protect you on the road. Welcome to the new era of motoring, where intelligence, connectivity, and convenience redefine what it means to drive. Let's talk safety, because when it comes to driving, nothing matters more. Every journey, whether it's a quick trip to the market or a long drive across the city, deserves the highest level of protection. This is where smart cars truly shine, transforming the way we think about being safe on the road. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, act like a digital co-pilot, always alert and ready to step in. These systems are designed to support you, not just in emergencies, but every moment you're behind the wheel. Take autonomous emergency braking, for example. It uses a network of sensors to spot danger, like a pedestrian stepping out or a sudden obstacle, and can stop the car automatically if you don't react in time, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. Lane keeping assist is another lifesaver. If you start to drift out of your lane, it gently steers you back, reducing fatigue on long drives and keeping you safely on course. Blind spot detection uses side sensors to warn you of hidden vehicles, making lane changes safer and giving you confidence even in heavy traffic. These features are game changers on Egypt's busy roads, especially in chaotic city traffic where surprises are around every corner. The car's technology is always watching, always ready to help, even at night or in tough weather conditions. It's like having an extra set of eyes and a steady hand on the wheel so you can focus on the road ahead with greater peace of mind. These systems don't replace the driver. They make you better, safer, and more confident whether you're driving solo or with loved ones. Whether you're on the ring road, weaving through city streets, or cruising down a quiet highway, smart cars are your digital guardian angels, always by your side. Safety isn't just a feature. It's built into every journey, every mile, and every moment you spend on the road. With smart cars, peace of mind comes standard, making every drive a little less stressful and a lot more enjoyable. The future of safe driving is already here, and it's making roads across Egypt safer for everyone. Smart cars aren't just safer, they're more comfortable and convenient. The cabin is a high-tech lounge, centered around a large touchscreen infotainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto let you use your favorite apps, maps, and music safely on the go. Voice commands and clear displays keep your focus on the road. Automatic climate control, keyless entry, and push-button start make every trip smoother. Companion apps let you check your car's status, lock or unlock doors, and even find your car in a crowded lot. For electric models, schedule charging for off-peak hours, all from your phone. Your car isn't just a ride, it's your personal command center. The smart car experience is about making every journey easier, connected, and enjoyable. Cairo's traffic is legendary, but smart cars are built for it. Adaptive cruise control keeps a safe distance and handles stop-and-go traffic, reducing stress and fatigue. Electric smart cars excel in city driving, no wasted energy in jams, and regenerative braking recharges the battery as you slow down. Parking is easier too. Sensors and cameras guide you, while advanced park assist can steer the car into tight spots for you. These features turn daily challenges into simple tasks. Less time worrying about traffic, more time enjoying the drive, or at least tolerating it with less stress. Smart cars make city life smoother, greener, and more manageable. They're designed for the real world, not just a showroom. Whether it's rush hour or a quick trip to the market, smart features make every drive better. The future of urban driving is efficient, easy, and electric. With smart cars, the city is finally on your side. Welcome to a new way of moving through Egypt.